today we're going to be talking about the basics of skateboarding. Okay, so first of all, we have to learn about the positions. So let's see, if you're right-legged, which is what I am, like, you know, your right leg has more energy, then you have to put your left leg forward. I mean, like, on the top of the skateboard. And then just put your right leg here, like, on the back, without even touching the skateboard or on it. Next, push the skateboard with your right leg, and then put it on the skateboard. Now, don't worry if you make teeny-weeny pushes, because that is expected to happen. Even I should have gone like this, because first of all, because I didn't have enough comfort on it. So first of all, when you ride your skateboard each time, you gain comfort. So gaining comfort helps you like with the speed. Then you automatically become faster. So, like, let's say you become like this. Then you go like top, like that. So as you get comfort, you automatically, without you knowing, going faster. So that's how I did it. For you, yeah. So now what if you're like left-legged? Then you just do it in the opposite way, with your right leg on the front and your left leg. I mean, I'm not really like left-legged, so that's why. Yeah, so if you're doing right leg, then just do it in the way I showed you. If you're left leg, then do it in the opposite way. Okay, so now, if you go like this, then, you know, pretty much like this. So now, first of all, okay, so you got like a rolling area of like moving. So you got it with moving, but how do you turn? Now, turning is one of the most vital things. So now, to turn, like sometimes you may like just push it like this. That's what I used to do when I was a beginner, because I didn't like really want to like do this. That time it was tough, but now it's easier. But for real, if you don't know, driving like this is easy after you get more experience. Then doing it like this. So to turn, there are like pretty much like 3 ways. I mean, I figured out a new way myself. And an extra way is not like the original way. Anyway, so one way to turn is by leaning in the direction you want. Like, let's say you're going like this way. Then you have to turn this way and just lean it that way. Or if you're going this way, then lean backwards. And if you're in the other way, then just lean in the opposite. Like if you're like going that way, then you just lean back. Now if you're going that way, then you just lean forward. So that is one of the most easiest ways. Now, the other way which I learned myself, which nobody really like uses, is like doing it like this. And then, in the direction you want, just put pressure on that area. And maybe this might not work on your skateboard if it doesn't have like loose wheels. Yeah, so, and if you go this way, then just do it this way. Put pressure on this side. Okay, so those are the 2 ways that I usually use. Now, what is the 3rd way? Now, the 3rd way is pretty much like a trick. Wait, so don't put this on your to-do list yet. Yeah, okay? So for real, just like pretty much like tap it for 1 second and then just like move your skateboard in the direction you want, like this way. I just did it like that. And don't worry if you like do it like this. As you get comfort on it, you start making it higher. Like that. I'm not even too far. Like this. As long as you get comfort with that trick, then you get to like go higher. And then you'll have more time to turn on the direction you want. But remember, don't do it on your to-do list yet. Okay, so those are the basics of skateboarding, as you might have guessed it. Now there's one more optional thing, which I know might be tough. Now let's say that you're going like on a downhill. For real, I'm just gonna show it a small one because I don't want to go all the way down because it's a long ski. Okay, so let's say that you want to like let's say go here. Like you want to like go on this like steepy thing. Now to do that, like you might be going like this. Like let's say you go like this, like that. Now, to prevent that from happening, for real, what you have to do is just put it like this and lean to the direction or the slope that it is going to. It's like pretty much like, okay, so let's just say that it's like pretty much on like a steep hill like this. And then you just put your direction into that. I know it's a little bit hard to control, but start off with the small things like this. For real, when I got comfort, this was easy. But when you start off, don't do this, okay? So don't start off with steep hills when you're a beginner, okay? I mean, you at least have to get like some experience with the normal basic steep one, because this is not exactly steep, basics. Okay, yeah, so I just showed that to you because it was a weight, because it was a part of
Sure, how do you ride like this, like a long stretch?
Okay, now, for real, since I'm experienced, I go this much far. Yeah, so as you get so much comfort, you'll also go faster. Or you might go faster than this. But remember, don't think about fastness at first. So that's it of today's video. So goodbye guys, see you next time.